keeping well. So I'm going to give a quick sneak peek of our new release KEDRON for 2025. This one here has been developed with the family and then also the KEDRON team here and the raft of the component suppliers that help create these beautiful new vans. So we finally have, after many years, so we have obviously had a lot of the builds in the larger, as with the triple axle there heading to Victoria soon. And we've also got a tandem air brake van coming through with an ATM of 6 tonne, but we are going to have a quick run through one very anticipated van here for the KEDRON lineup for a 19'6" tandem KEDRON in the XR, so the Crossroads. So this will be a brand new model for 2025 for the KEDRON range here. And the big thing here is this one here has the Island Queen bed, separate shower toilet. It has the pantry between the compressor fridge freezer. It has 800 watts of solar, 400 amps of lithium, hot dip galvanized chassis, full aluminium frame, Australian made, non-toxic insulation. It has the TV inset in the rear wall when you enter. It also features a brand new rear bumper system with a drop lid and storage for the likes of curved roof rafters and the anti-flap kits as well. So plenty of space in there for storing that. The single spare is mounted like a tow bar on a vehicle with beautiful strong steel there with the engineers that developed that off. And then also to wrap around the offside, just to show, this one here rides on the tandem axle. Has the Bridgestone dual tyres now with disc brakes. It has the American Firestone airbags there, adjustable height obviously for either camping or towing the van. This one here has the new curved rafters which have been just released with their own battery system. You can recharge the batteries there. And then to enter in the inside of the van, so it has, as we say, the Island Queen bed, cafe dinette, the bifold table, so much storage all the way around, beautiful amount of bench space there, that soft radius roll there and that thicker bench top there with the timber look in the laminate. The compact sink, it has a triple filter system in this, so it has the dual CR45 PureTech kit in the front box that is all mounted with the stainless steel bracket we make up there with the gussets for the additional strength. Then underneath the sink itself has another 1 micron in the PureTech as well. It has, as we say, plenty of bench space here, induction cooktop. This one with the additional ventilation there, it has a convection microwave there. Has some beautiful color tonings in this one here. Side pockets there, beautiful and soft there. Also to be able to slip your phone or tablet in, and the USB chargers can be drawn from those directional lights. The cafe dinette, we've got a new system with this one here in the way of, has a 2-toning here, beautiful soft side padded throw cushions there as well. And then the macro leather, plenty of storage up above, also still maintains the aluminium die bond in the ceiling, has a Dometic fresh jet up the top. Underneath the bed is all full storage, and that beautiful full ensuite here, wall mounted washing machine still recessed there for the towel rails, swivel round into the shower itself, so still maintains the aluminium in the die bond in the shower. And then that is one beautiful looking new model. So as we say, so many people have been requesting if they could get a KEDRON in a weight underneath the 3 tonne in the tandem. And we have got a 19'6" that will tear out, as in this case here. It went over the weighbridge at 2,770 kilos. So it gets back into that Land Cruiser 70 series, 300 series, the new Prado. And obviously you've got to watch your weights and your GCMs and the like, but to have a KEDRON in the tandem axle at 2770 in the Tare, as we say, with the 800 watts of solar up top, airbag, disc brakes, Beautiful van here in this one, and we're super excited to be able to introduce this into the lineup. So I've popped in the details there in the description to register the interest or contact Rebecca up the display centre for some more info. We will have some more details coming out on this one soon. So wanted to give a quick run around the outside. We've had a couple that have been coming through the line very steady in the development stage, and they've all been spoken for, and then those that have come in for services or to get parts have secured a couple of orders already. I think there's 6, so it's one that a lot have been waiting for. So if you've been keen for a KEDRON and you have a 3.5 tonne towing capacity and not really up to the spec of the larger ones, then we finally have something available in the lineup that might suit you. So I'll thank you everyone once again. It has been very warming to have the amount of support and kind words from all of the whole KEDRON community. So thanks once again everyone, and we'll catch up with all again soon. And we'll say bye for now. Bye.